Hey my dolls, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl JustMeRee, and today I'm going to be doing this review on this peel off mask. I really am excited to try it out. I really feel like if this works, I'm going to be so happy because it's actually cheaper than I think it's called Boscia. It's way cheaper than that one. That one's like around $35 to $40, I believe. Please don't don't quote me. I'm not too sure. I can't remember. But this one's only 20 bucks. $20, okay? So that's really, really good, and I'm hoping that I get the same results as I would for like I guess for the one that's at Sephora. I don't know, it's called California Charcoal. I think it would be really good. It's supposed to remove blackheads, unclog pores, and hydrate skin. So if you guys are interested in knowing more about this product, keep on watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Also hit the notification button so that you can be alerted for when I drop new videos. So that way you can know about cool stuff like this. If you've already subscribed, I guess we could go into the video. I mean, I guess, like, might as well, right? Right. All right, let's go. So I am super excited. I don't know if you guys have seen, like, you know, on Instagram, they have those like black peel off masks, and I went to Sephora. I saw that, I think it's Boscia, I'm not sure. Boscia. Yeah, they have one. They have the peel off mask, and it was like $30-ish, probably like leaning closer to 40, and I was just like, ooh. So I was really, really excited that I was able to find this here. This is from Walmart. It was only $19. Like, that's a cute price. I was so down to buy this for $19 just to try it, just to see if like I do see some type of results, and then maybe later once I got more bread I could go and get the other one. But if this one does the trick, like, why spend more? Like, shoot, save where you can, you know? Like, when I look, like, zoom in on the mirror, like, you know, using those like magnifying mirrors, I can see that I have blackheads, especially like on my chin, a little bit like in my like under my eyes and stuff like that. Like, I can see it. I was just like, 20 bucks, might as well. It's at Walmart. You should try it. Here's the packaging. This comes out like that. It has like a little cleanser in it as well, and in the back it basically has all the directions. For step one, you want to avoid your eyes. You want to get the mask to be as opaque as possible. You have to steam your face so that way your pores are open. You can either use a hot towel, it says, or by using steam. And then the second step is to allow the mask to fully dry, and then after that it's to basically peel off the mask, and hopefully like you'll get these type of results. Like, I'm really excited to like it to look like that. Like, if it looks like that, then that means it did the job. So I decided to just do a hot towel, and then I guess I'm just gonna be a little bit ratchet and just use my fingers to apply it. I don't know what to do. Like, ooh. Oh my god, this feels so good. Here's how it comes out. Oh my god. It comes out really black. But it makes me feel like a little kid. I feel like I'm putting on like war paint. And it has like a really nice cooling feeling. I don't know if it's because my house is like cold, and so that's why it feels cold. But it's pretty refreshing. Oh shoot, it got in my brow. I forgot not to get it on my brow hairs. The little bit that I have. Lovely. Just lovely. I do feel kind of like a tingling sensation. Just a little bit. It does burn just a little bit, but I feel like all face masks kind of burns. Like, if you think about it, like, think about it. If it doesn't burn, I don't think it's like doing its job. I kind of have to use a lot to get it to be like to its fullest opaque, like it said. So imagine having like a $30 bottle and having to get it like to its like black as black. You done run out of the whole bottle. And now I gotta go get a new one for another 30 bucks. Like, I ain't with it. I'm trying my best not to get it in my unit and whatever. No, it does have a cooling sensation, dude. It feels good every time I put it on. I really want to get it, like, I really want to work right in here because that's the area that I do feel I have problems with. On my nose for sure, and on my chin. Like, low-key, I feel kind of like the Black Panther. Like, yes. Does like start to dry pretty quickly. It does get a little bit patchy. Like, you know, I can see like a little bit of my skin through it. I try to focus really like on my chin area and right in here because that's my really problem area. I'm gonna let this like dry down. I shall be back. I'll be back. I can't move my mouth, so I can't like show expression. But just know your girl is excited. So I'm back and I can barely move my freaking lips. I can't really move them. Like, I can, but I can't. And it's like fully dry. Like, fully dry. Like, that thing's cutting off. Probably left it on for about, my lips are so dry. I probably left it on for about 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah, I was here just watching like freaking, music videos. So let's start with the peeling off process. I really hope, like, Lord Jesus, be a good one, please. Because if so, then I save some coin. I don't even know where to start to peel, really. What if it was stuck on my face? Like, oh. Ow. Ooh, okay. Ow! Ew, did you guys hear that? Ow! Ow. Ooh, okay. Ooh! Ooh. What the frick? Ooh. Ouch! Okay, let me relax. I don't know how I'm gonna take all this off. Ah! Fuck. Oh my god. This hurts. Like, my eyes are getting watery. That part was fairly easy, probably because I didn't have that much. Ow. 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 This hurts. Oh my god. Literally, it hurts. Ah! Woo! Woo! That last one really hurt. That really hurt. Freak. Moisture. My face feels pretty dry right about now. Woo! Yeah. So definitely, the more you like layer on, the worse it's going to feel. Like, it hurts. Oh wow. For the most part, I think it did pretty well. Like, there's a whole bunch of gunk in here. I don't know if you can see, but there's a lot of gunk. Like, a lot. That was painful. Like, I didn't think it was gonna be that painful. But let me check my face. Let me see. Okay, so I did look at my face, and I do feel that there are still like a little bit of blackheads in my face that are probably like super like deep in there. I do mask and I do wash my face, but it's not like to get my unclog my pores. It's most of the like to shrink pores or to lighten my skin. Like it's never to like take out stuff from my face, you know? Definitely yanked out some eyebrow hair. It's lovely. Thanks. Thanks. Oh, look at my nose. I definitely do think it took majority out of my nose. I do still feel like in my cheeks, like right here, I do still have just a little bit of blackheads left and just a little bit on my chin. But I just really do think it's because like I never do anything like this, so it's like probably super deep in there. And I don't think it's bad for $19, or well, it was 21 with taxes and stuff. Like my face definitely feels like a lot more smoother. My pores to me look a little bit more smaller. There's some blackheads right in here. Maybe I didn't layer on enough to really get it, but I honestly like it. Like I don't mind. I feel like it's a really good product. Like look at my little mask. Look at my little face. I definitely see some nastiness in here. Definitely. It's kind of cool. Like, I don't know. It's kind of cool taking care of your face, you know? Like, I want to look as young as possible. I don't feel like I have any type of like reaction to it. So guys, this is my face after it. I washed and moisturized my face and put some like chapstick on. As I keep doing it, my face will probably improve more and more and more, and I will have less clogged pores. I enjoy it. I feel like for 20 bucks, this is actually like pretty much worth it because it did take out a lot of stuff out of my face. So I do think it's worth it. Definitely check out your local Walmart, or if not, you can always purchase online. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I know it's on this side right here. Go ahead and hit that red button. Also next to it, click onto that bell so that you can get more of my notifications. Like I said, I don't drop on a schedule, so you want to be alerted when I upload a video, because then you see cool stuff like this and you get to know when there's cool products out there that are like cheaper. Yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Please give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe, and I shall see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye.